Hi, I'm NJOMZA. I'm a singer and a songwriter. Whenever I'm touring, I make sure to stop in each city, dive into the culture, and really just take it all in.
What's up? I'm in one of the music capitals of the world right now. New York City, baby.
I love being in New York. It's always one of my favorite stops whenever I'm touring. And this year, I'll be performing at Gov Ball. And I can't wait. Whenever I'm here, I love hitting up Williamsburg, Greenpoint, and Bushwick to check out some of the record shops, chill by the water, eat some incredible food, and hear some live music. The city is full of so much style, and it's where some of my good friends call home. I'm meeting up with my girl Dunya, a super talented artist from New York.
I'm so excited to see you.
I'm so excited you're here.
I love New York, man. I have to come here way more often. It always inspires me to make new music when I come here. I mean, I literally wrote 2 of my best known songs here. I locked myself in a studio for like a month out here.
It was just like so inspirational growing up here with, the underground hip hop scene and like hearing all of that,
I feel like you could literally go all over the world and there's no place like New York when
Definitely
it comes
not.
to that inspiration and that electricity. I love it.
Right now, we're headed to Freehold. It's a coffee shop, bar, and live music venue all in one. If you want that New York energy, you'll find it here. There's always a line out the door, so make sure you get here early. They have fun cocktails and delicious vegetarian food at any time of the day. It's a win-win for me. There's almost always music happening here too, whether it's jazz in the morning, a DJ at lunch, or live music at night. The music scene here is crazy. There are probably more new artists and live venues in these few square miles than anywhere else in the world. Brooklyn is full of shops to browse vinyl in, but there's something so special about Superior Elevation.
They have some super rare finds here.
I love coming here and flipping through the bins to find hidden gems and discover new music to listen to. The city comes alive at night, and right now I'm getting ready to head to one of Brooklyn's wildest clubs, House of Yes. I've been out all day, so I'm gonna give my curls a little bit of a refresh with Coconut Curls Mousse. Tonight's party is Space Cat themed. Your guess is as good as mine, but I'm gonna have fun with it and my hair. You know I'm gonna be dancing under the lights all night, so I'm gonna add some OGX Liquid Pearl Serum for some sparkle and shine. House of Yes is hard to describe because it's such a different experience every time you go. They're known for their theme parties, which can range anywhere from a burlesque show one night to a full-on circus another. Whatever it is, it's always wild in the best possible way. New York has such an electric energy to it. There's no place like it. I always leave here feeling excited to get back into the studio. See you in the next city.